DIRA viewers tuned into the premiere episode of the new ITV crime drama starring ER's Parminder Nagra. The drama follows DIRA, who is investigating a murder that is at first thought to be culturally specific, but the ambitious detective senses there is something more at play. 3. Parminder Nagra stars as DI Rachita Ray in the new ITV drama RayCredit, ITV. DI heads home after a long day of investigating and soon realizes there is a suspicious BMW behind her. She originally thinks it's a KB head driving too close behind, but immediately realizes the car is likely following her. DI drives home, but before she unlocks the door looks around in concern as she senses someone is watching her. She quickly gets a knock at the door to find a suspect package on her doorstep, and looks up to see the BMW speeding off. The police soon discovers a burner phone in the package with the fingerprints of the murder victim, Imran. As the tension grew in the episode, viewers watching at home became distracted by the seeming blunder in the plot hole. One fan complained on Twitter, "She's being followed so she leads them to her home." Not exactly the most intelligent thing for a detective inspector to do, surely. Another added, DIRA is the new 4-part series on ITV and is written by line of duty actress and screenwriter Maya Sanhi. Filming for the crime series began in the Midlands during the autumn of 2021. The series is set in Birmingham, where DIRA introduces viewers to Leicester-born Rachita Ray, a police officer who has just achieved the promotion of her dreams when she is asked to join a homicide investigation. Although it soon becomes clear that the reason for her being chosen for the role was because the murder case is culturally specific. Despite her hard work and dedication to the police industry, she begins to question if her heritage rather than her skill set has seen her go up the promotional ladder. Unwilling to let this get to her, the detective sets out to find the killer and get justice. However, it's not as plain sailing as one would hope, and DI finds herself lingering in a world of organized crime. As the story unfolds, it becomes clear that DIRA has her own personal mission as she begins to learn about her own identity. The star-studded cast includes Sam Baker-Jones, Damned, Manu Thyera, Line of Duty, Ezra Farouk Khan, Melvin Goes to Dinner, Helen George, Call the Midwife, and Peter Bankole, Peaky Blinders, to name a few. 3. Fans spotted a major blunder in the first episode as DIRA drives home despite being followed. Credit, ITV. 3. The drama follows the investigation of a culturally specific homicide. Credit, ITV.